Hello Vivites, a very good morning to everybody. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, MD in Ayurveda. I am leading the product development portfolio of Indus Viva Health Sciences, Bangalore. And today I am going to explain you all about a very innovative, first of its kind product of Indus Viva, the Eye Glow. I think everybody of you might be using the Eye Glow as of now, but I will be telling you about some of the subtle features of the product which will help you promote the product as well as use the product in a proper way so that all the benefits are obtained. Well, to start with, what is the importance of skin? Everybody has skin, right? Skin is the largest organ of the human body. So whenever you consider the anatomy of the skin, skin is basically composed of different layers, which includes the epidermis, dermis, hypodermis, and it also includes the appendages, especially the hairs as well as the nails. Epidermis is the outer layer of the skin. Whatever you see on the outermost surface of the skin is called as epidermis. Dermis is actually called as the thicker connective tissue layer which is present inside the epidermis, and hypodermis is nothing but the subcutaneous layer of the skin which is just underneath the skin. This hypodermis is a layer where the fat is usually deposited, which will help you withstand the cold as well as heat. Well, as a part of the human body, skin always has various functions. The first and the foremost function of the skin includes protection. All of our bodies are protected only because of the presence of skin. Mainly it is called as the physical barrier because we are always exposed to sunlight which contains ultraviolet radiations as well as bacteria as well as the viruses which are prevailing in the world today. So the skin is actually acting as a barrier against all these infestations. Along with that, it also acts as a mechanical barrier. For example, everybody sweats, everybody has a saliva, everybody has tears as well. These are also some of the protective substances which are present in the human body, which are eliminated through the skin. Not only this, the skin is also responsible for regulating the body temperature. This is very important because there are processes called as vasoconstriction as well as vasodilatation which are present inside the skin which are responsible for regulating the body temperature. Along with this, as everybody knows, skin is one amongst the sense organs. It is responsible for the feeling of touch. Not only the touch, the temperature, the pain, pressure, everything happens through the skin. And apart from this, excretion is also another important function of the skin. For example, sweat. People normally sweat. Sweat is not only something which is very bad or foul smelling or whatever it is, but sweat is a thing which will excrete all the unwanted toxins out of the body. Not only this, the uric acid as well as ammonia is also eliminated from the skin surface. Apart from this, the skin also serves as a blood reservoir. For example, 8 to 10% of total blood flow in a body especially carries through the skin. For example, the skin contains small or tiny vessels called as capillaries. See, this is a part that we are actually concentrating on. Capillaries are very small skin structures which are circulating the blood beneath the skin, and whenever that blood which is circulating within the capillaries gets purified, automatically the skin health is maintained. This is what is exactly our principle behind the formulation of Eye Glow. So apart from this, the skin is also important for synthesis of the vitamin D, which is a very important the talk subject today. Apart from this, the next important thing that I want to concentrate today is the concept of nutri-cosmetics. Well, everybody have been using cosmetics in their daily life, right? So, but these cosmetics have their own limitations. Even though the cosmetics are coined as synthetic, herbal, hybrid, whatever it is, all the cosmetics do have harmful chemicals which are very harmful to the skin and in turn to the human body as well, because skin is a structure in the body which can absorb all the toxins from the outside atmosphere also, by which the skin can definitely be harmed as well as the internal human body can also be affected. The global nutraceutical market is valued at $3,853.4 million US back in 2018 and is poised to reach $8,571.5 million US by 2027 with a compound annual growth rate of 5%. in between 2019 and 2027. See, the largest nutri-cosmetic market in the whole world is Europe, but the second largest is considered to be Southeast Asia as well as the other Asian countries. India is also becoming the hub of nutri-cosmetics today, and the most important thing is people have started to use the natural products or the herbal extract derived molecules as a part of nutri-cosmetic market in India today. Friends, I know you are all curious to listen about iGlow. As you all know, Indus Viva's iGlow is first of its kind nutri-cosmetic product in India, which conditions your beauty from inside and gives you a healthy glowing skin from outside. Isn't that really interesting? Certainly yes. Well, iGlow is a formulation which detoxifies your liver, it purifies your gut, it purifies your blood, and in turns it provides you a healthy, younger looking and glowing skin. This is a very, very interesting product, my friends. And coming back to the ingredients of iGlow, if I have to speak about this, the first and the foremost, the prime ingredient of iGlow is nothing but your saffron, or in other words we call it as kesar. Well, everybody knows what kesar is, everybody knows what saffron is, but you might not be knowing that saffron is also considered as one of the most costliest spice on this planet, and Indus Viva is sourcing the saffron from the precious Kashmir Valley. Whenever you see the geography of saffron, saffron is a widely cultivated plant from Kashmir, Pakistan, Afghanistan till Turkey. The cultivation happens, but whatever the saffron which is available in the Kashmir Valley is considered to be the most expensive one, and the quality wise, if you see, it is having 100% quality and the most efficacious and the safe saffron which is available on this planet. Saffron is not new to Indians. In fact, saffron has been referenced in the traditional books of Ayurveda dating back to 5000 years. Saffron is a very good antibacterial and an anti-inflammatory molecule as well. For example, nowadays our skin is exposed to lots of viruses and bacteria as well as pollution. How do you protect your skin? Definitely saffron will help you protect your skin because it has very good antibacterial activity, as well as it will also prevent all kinds of skin infections owing to its anti-inflammatory properties. Saffron contains a molecule called as saffronol. This is very important for maintaining the integrity of the skin as well as conditioning the skin from inside as well as providing a glow outside. Along with this, saffron also has numerous skin benefits, especially it hydrates the skin. Hydrating the skin is a very important point because whenever your skin becomes dry, your skin is prone to all kinds of diseases and infections. But whenever your skin is moist, definitely all kinds of skin infections will not affect you. Apart from saffron, iGlow also has various ingredients. Let me tell you about all those ingredients in detail now. The first and the foremost thing apart from saffron is we have something called as natural plant collagen. As everybody knows, collagen is nothing but a beauty protein. Everybody's skin has collagen inside, but because of various factors like exposure to pollution, exposure to ultraviolet rays, exposure to contaminants and toxins, the collagen levels in the skin usually reduce, because of which the skin will lose its tightness, it will become loose. So, collagen is normally sourced from canine sources or animal sources in various products which are available around the world. But the speciality of Indus Viva's iGlow is it does not contain animal origin collagen. We are using vegetable form of collagen, otherwise called as natural plant collagen, which are derived from various vegetables like cucumber, asparagus, etc. And definitely this kind of collagen will help in building the collagen within your skin. Automatically your skin will gain back its luster and it will also become very tight, and definitely you will look youth as well as your the age of the skin also reduces. So biologically it is not biological reduction in the age, but definitely while looking your skin will definitely look young. The next ingredient in iGlow is called as grape seed extract. Everybody knows what grapes is, right? Botanically, grapes are identified as Vitis vinifera. Grapes contain an important molecule called as resveratrol. As everybody knows, resveratrol is one of the most important antioxidant molecules which will help hydrate your skin, maintain the moisture of the skin so that this moisture barrier will prevent all kinds of skin issues. The next ingredient in eye glow is called as kojic acid. Well, kojic acid is considered to be one of the most important ingredients for protecting your skin against harmful ultraviolet radiations. Kojic acid is actually naturally derived from seaweeds. Seaweeds are actually the algae which are present inside the sea waters from which we derive this kojic acid. Along with this, eye glow also contains licorice extract. Licorice is botanically identified as Glycyrrhiza glabra or the sweet root. Licorice is also considered as one of the very less calorie sweeteners as well. The most important thing about licorice is it helps in skin lightening activity. Normally, whenever we talk about the tones of the skin, there are basically two tones of the skin. One is the dark tone, the other is a light tone. Licorice extract will always help your dark tone of the skin to make it light tone, which is very important for the looks as well as the appearance. Along with this, we have the lutein extract. Lutein is actually a coloring pigment or otherwise called as carotenoid, which is present in the flowers of marigold. Lutein is a very important substance for maintaining the skin hydration as well as elasticity of the skin. Normally, whenever your skin is elastic, automatically the youth of the skin, especially the age of the skin or the age related diseases of the skin can be prevented. Along with this, eye glow also contains natural coenzyme Q10. So, this coenzyme Q10 is derived from seaweeds again, and this coenzyme Q10 actually provides energy to your skin. Normally, the whole of the body can look energized, but the skin can look dull. So, by the use of this CoQ10, your skin also gets energized. So, isn't that required? Definitely yes. Well friends, coming back to the major benefits of eye glow, I can tell you that eye glow is a very important product for inducing skin lightening. It is also a very good product for anti-aging purposes. See, anti-aging in the sense, I am not trying to tell you it reduces biological age, certainly not. It actually reduces the age of the skin by making it more strong, more elastic, hydrates the skin, as well as the energy of the skin will increase, by which anti-aging naturally occurs. Along with this, it also has anti-wrinkle properties. Well, wrinkle, as you know, is one of the major issues of the skin, which is also a social stigma these days actually. So, this is also having a very good anti-wrinkle property. Along with this, it moisturizes the skin, it reduces the dark spots on the skin as well, it helps in blemish control, it also provides radiant complexion, it also reduces the damage on the skin, especially by the ultraviolet radiation, the pollutants and so on and so forth. It brings about total skin rejuvenation from the head till the toe. And the most important thing is, eye glow is one of the best natural products available in the market, which will bring about liver detox. See, liver is actually called as the garbage bin of our body. All the waste is actually thrown into the liver, the human waste. In fact, whenever the liver undergoes detoxification, automatically the blood is purified. Whenever the blood circulation, the purified blood circulates underneath your skin through the capillaries, automatically your skin starts glowing. This is what the principle of eye glow is all about. I hope you understood this point. Friends, eye glow is excellent for all skin types as well as skin tones. It is suitable for the women, men as well as kids. For best results, I would always suggest to use one sachet of eye glow in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and one sachet in the night, 15 minutes after dinner. So, it is safely tolerated for longer duration also. Eye glow can be used along with various medications as well as cosmetics also. Well friends, why the wait? Sip an eye glow sachet right away and get yourselves younger looking and vibrant skin.